want you to stay up here with me.
Well, I know, but as soon as you fall asleep, I'm going to go back downstairs.
Just stay up with me.
No.
Yes.
No. When you go to sleep, I'm going to go back downstairs.
Well, I want you to stay with me.
Okay, but I'm going to go back downstairs now.
Just stay with me.
But you should stay awake with me.
Well, I like going to sleep.
You like going to sleep?
Yeah.
Why?
Because when I'm tired, I told ya. I told ya so. When I'm tired, I go to bed.
But what if you're not tired? What do you do?
If it's morning, you get up and get dressed and go see your Nana.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And okay. But what if it's nighttime and you're not tired? What do you do?
Well, I am tired.
Okay, but I'm not. So what should I do?
Well, I want you to stay up here with me.
But I'm not tired.
Just stay up here.
Well, what do you do at nighttime if you're not tired?
Just
Okay, I'm going to go downstairs now.
no.
Yeah.
I want you to stay with me.
Okay, but if it's nighttime, right? Like it's nighttime right now, right?
Yeah.
And if you're not tired, you don't want to go to bed, what do you do?
Just stay with me.
No, I'm asking you what you do.
Mom, I want you to stay with me.
But why? But I'm not tired. If I was tired and you weren't tired, would you stay with me?
Yeah.
So at 6 o'clock in the morning when you wake up and you say that you want me to get up, that you're not tired anymore, so you should stay with Mommy and sleep more? Colton?
Well, sometimes I don't want to go to sleep.
I know. Then what do you do then?
Play.
Play? So can I go play?
No.
Well, why not?
Because I want you to stay with me.
But I'm not tired.
Just stay with me.
Well, what are we going to do in the morning?
Play.
What are we going to play?
How about hit the dump truck? How about kick the dump truck?
Oh, you're priceless.
Nana kicks the dump truck back to me. Then I kick it back to her.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the morning, let's play that.
Play what?
Play. In the morning, let's play hit. In the morning, let's play kick the dump truck. I kick it back to Nana, and Nana kick it, and Nana kicks it back to me, and I kick it back to her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, say goodnight.
Good night.
I'm going to go downstairs now.
Well, I want you to stay with me.
Okay. Okay, you go night-night.
I want you.
Well, after you go back to sleep, though, I'm going to go downstairs.
Well, I want you to stay with me.
Okay, say goodnight.
This.
Say goodnight.
This.
Say goodnight.
Good night.